Welcome back, students. This is the Q&A session 3 from the playlist of basic mathematics. The topic is trigonometric ratios and trigonometric formulas. So, in this session, I will be taking some questions which will be based on the session number 1 and 2. So, in the session number 1 and 2, we have already discussed about the trigonometric ratios and the trigonometric formulas. Now, I have not taken any formal question here, but let us discuss some simple trigonometric ratios and we will try to find the value of them. So let us take for one example, let us say sine 330 degree. Now if we have to find the value of sine 330 degree, how can we do it? So in the previous session we have seen that sine 2n pi plus theta was equal to sine theta. Why? I have also explained this with the help of quadrants. So this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. The first quadrant is from 0 degree to 90 degree. This is second quadrant is from 90 degree to 180 degree. Third quadrant is from 180 degree to 270 degree. And the fourth quadrant is from 270 degree to 360 degree. Now, sine 2n pi plus, now if I put, so this equation, the sine 330 can be compared with this equation, or it can also be compared with this 2n pi minus theta. Now sine 2n pi minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, which we have already discussed in the session number 2. So this can be compared with this trigonometric formula, and see, sine 2n pi minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. How it is minus sine theta? If I put the value of n is equal to 1, n is basically an integer. So if I put the value of n is equal to 1, then it will be equal to sine 2 pi minus theta. Now this 2 pi minus theta will be coming in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, only cos and sec are positive, rest are negative. So this sine 2n pi minus theta will be lying in the fourth quadrant, and because of that, this will be equal to minus sine theta, because in the fourth quadrant only cos and sec are positive. So I can write this equation as sine 2 pi means 360 minus 30. So this is equal to what? So this is comparable to this trigonometric formula, that is 2n pi minus theta. So this will be equal to what? Minus sine 30, and this is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is how you have to solve these trigonometric ratios. Let us take some another example. Let us say I am taking the value of sine 210. Now, so sine 210 can be written as sine pi plus 30, because pi is equal to 180 degree. Now we have seen that in the previous session, that is sine pi plus theta. I will write it here. Sine pi plus theta. Now sine pi plus theta will be lying in the third quadrant. Okay, because the second quadrant is from 90 degree to 180 degree. So here it is sine pi means 180 degree. So 180 degree plus theta will be in the third quadrant. Now in the third quadrant, only tan theta and cot theta are positive, rest are negative. So here I will be getting as minus sine theta. Though I have written all these formulas in the previous session, but here I am just trying to tell you how we can find the value of these trigonometric ratios with the help of these quadrants. So here this will be equal to minus sine 30 degree. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2, because sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is how you can solve the different trigonometric ratios. Now let us come to another one point. Let us say convert another question. This is another question. Convert 5 degrees into radian. So now we know that 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. So it implies that 5 degree will be equal to pi by 180 into 5 radian, and this is equal to pi by 36 radian. So this is how we can convert the degree into radian, and in the same way we can also I can just write another question, that is convert pi by 8 radian into degree. So what we can do is, we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So it implies that 1 radian will be equal to 180 by pi degrees. It implies that pi by 8 radian will be equal to 180 divided by pi into pi by 8. So this is equal to what? 490 to 45. This is equal to 22.5 degrees. So pi by 8 radian is equal to 22.5 degrees. So in this way we can solve these questions which involve the conversion of degrees into radian and radian into degrees. Similarly, now let us take one right angle triangle. Okay. So here this is a right angle triangle. It is written as A, B and C. Let us say this is 3, this is 4. So now if I want to, let us say this is angle theta. So if I want to find the angle sin theta, then sin theta and cos theta. So since this is a right angle triangle, so we will be using the Pythagoras theorem. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the hypotenuse. So this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is equal to what? AC will be equal to, AB is equal to AB square is equal to 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So AC will be equal to 5. Now sin theta will be equal to, sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular and this is the base. And this is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. And cos theta will be equal to base upon hypotenuse, which is equal to 4 by 5. So these are some of the different types of some questions which I have just taken here in this session in order to just give you an understanding of these trigonometric formulas and how we can find the values of the different trigonometric ratios. And apart from that, I have also tried to explain it here, that how we can find the value of sin theta and cos theta with the help of this example. I have also tried to explain you how we can convert the degrees into radian and the radians into the degrees. So this was a very small session in which I was just taking the basic details, the basic questions, in which I have tried to make you understand how we can use these trigonometric formulas and how we can calculate the different type of trigonometric ratios. In the next session, I will be taking up with some difficult questions. It will not be so difficult, but it will be difficult than what we have studied today. And so till then, have a nice day. Bye.